Somehow I see that my uploads are stopped. That means ID fraud is active, and the same ID for fraud who is fighting against Amazon is applying for job in Amazon. You believe this shit? You believe this shit? Yeah, nonsense. Hai. So, anyways, I gotta work on case. Whatever ID fraud does, he steals and steals my identity, steals that book and everything. Whatever उसका ही फेस स्मैश हो गया है. वही गया था, उसके ही सिबलिंग्स के बारे में उसने लिखा है, उसने ही वो इतनी सब जगह ट्रैवल किया है, उसने ही 4 साल से रिसर्च किया है, उसके साथ ही ये सब हो रहा है. क्या बोलते हैं, मान के चलो हैं. एंड ही इज अप्लाइंग फॉर जॉब टू सेम पीपल हु डिड दिस टू हिम. चुतिया है ये. So, anyways, I got to work on this case. When you know that OTT platform is funding this thing, terrorist, it's out there. There every region people are saying that. Not only one race, every race people are. They're, the one who is accused, those people say this. Look, this is not a normal thing. This is not a common people run this thing, and I know from the beginning. That's why I call Bollywood people terrorist. This OTT platform terrorist. Suspects who work for that minister, I call them terrorists, but not common people. If common people are involved in this, what common people got to do? That's why I give the copyrights to the entire country, because common people got to do nothing with this. This is a large scale manipulation by uh, uh, brainwashing regarding their race and all this, and make people fight each other. And when you find this is compromise. What is compromise? Our leaders like the minister which is caught in this act, that leader is compromised. Money makes leaders compromise. So everyone knows the OTT platform is funding terrorists. Why that leader is helping that OTT platform? Because money makes you compromise. Money is a compromise situation in this. Do you get this? Money is a compromise situation. Same as ID fraud. ID fraud, who is getting paid from OTT platform, wants to settle down with the same OTT platform by showing that he is the one who is fighting, and then he'll settle matters up.